Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Gladiator doors. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and set the steering to straight. Remove interior panel, clips carefully to access hinge bolts and mirror wiring. Label bolts and keep hardware in a container to avoid loss. Use a blanket to protect paint and get an assistant for heavy lifting. Work methodically and test latch operation after reassembly. Start by removing the mirrors and accessing their wiring from inside the door panel. Unscrew mirror bolts with a Torx bit while supporting the mirror to prevent drops. Gently unplug the wiring harness and label the connector so reconnection is simple. Tuck the wiring into the cab and protect exposed ends with tape. This reduces the risk of damage when moving the door during hinge removal and makes reinstallation straightforward. With the door supported, loosen and remove the top hinge bolts first, then the lower bolts, while keeping pressure so the door does not sag. Have an assistant hold the door or use a jack and blanket to prevent metal contact with paint. Once free, carefully lift the door off the hinges and set it on a padded surface. Keep hinge bolts and spacers organized for accurate reinstallation and inspect hinges for wear while accessible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.